Langdon staying track center. Just trying to figure out what the smoke is telling him. Riley beating him on wheel speed, pulling away from him. Purple paint. Misfits Drift. Keeping up with Misfits here. Brandon holding Drift through the whole corner, having to straighten a bit there. Both cars were a little bit shallow on the wall, but coming through the landing points on the hairpin beautifully. Good angle on the backfield. Looking to the drone to make sure they hit their points back there. Great speed through the corner. Neither car straightening, both holding Drift. Shifting from side to side flawlessly. Riley adding a little bit of space there, even accelerating, but then Sharky laying on the pedal and using that big motor to reel him in. A lot of smoke screen coming off the bed, wheel speed up on the Chevy. Whenever Andrew leads, he's able to press that pedal and use that big gearing. First corner, no problem. Riley holding angle until deep out of it, increasing the angle through the straight. Sliding and staying in Drift perfectly. Riley putting on a clinic right now. Shorty bringing up his wheel speed a little bit to catch him. Finding some, oh, and Shorty spins, but after the finish. Watching the first go, here they come. Shorty just smoke show out there. Holding the angle. No straightening it all through the straight. Shorty hitting some brakes in the hairpin. Riley catching up to him and continuing to press. Riley holding on with even less motor. I don't know, Shorty was unable to get away from him. Andrew Shorty not letting him get away from him whatsoever. Holding him at one car length the whole way through. More angle coming out of the bed. I don't know if that's the aerodynamics of a wagon or just Shorty being a big dude who's waiting down the rear. Both cars wide open into the straight. Oh no, Adam is over-rotated. We may have just seen the first second battle decided in that rotation. We don't usually announce the winner. Watch out. Looks like he's actually running away at least. She can whine. Blasting sideways into the smoke billowing off the MB Auto car. I don't think we've seen a better smoke show so far. Check out Riley just billowing smoke. A lot more wheel speed on the chase car right now. Getting tight with him in the backfield, only about a car length off. Holding more angle and wheel speed. MB Auto, you might looking like Marge Simpson getting some groceries in a rush. That Volvo is incredible. And don't underestimate the aerodynamics of a brick. That thing sails off of its walls and bounces off the air, letting it get that inertia drift back from corner to corner. He's coming a little bit too tight. Following the biggest wing on this thing. Oh, understeer. Victorious, those Lexus ISs. Weight starts going in one direction and keeps going in one direction. A little bit of a jostle sent his weight to one tire, and the other one lost all traction, moving out of the corner, allowing himself to get past. Following that Corvette. Smoke is a little bit distracting. Shorty's right pedal is the doors button. Press this, touch his door. Chase, holding proximity, but maybe not quite as much angle. Swinging a bit more out the other end. Caught back up to him. Now he's on him. That might have been a, oh, it's a pass. Oh, kettle boiled over. Swami Imports, if you're looking to buy a car, they'll fly over there, find you your dream car, and bring it home for you. Shout out Mike Martino and the boys. You ever tried on their gloves? They make some amazing driving gloves. Available right here. Company. Pat on backing off a bit. is just picking up the back hairpin zone. Not going off. Just looking up. Deep in the zone. Full fill. Much like his back window full of smoke. Looks like he got the back hairpin too. Riley connecting the dots perfectly.
Spun.
Great chase, landed, dropping one tire. Staying in drift. Tucks in behind him. Half throttling through there, just staying on the car. F20 just screaming.